I was out today trying to find a good wheel cleaner. It's a nice day out. Figured clean the car. So this one here is called Blackmagic No Scrub All Wheel Cleaner. It usually removes brake dust, grease, and road grime without scrubbing. So far, I've not found a true no scrub spray on hose off wheel cleaner. But I'm gonna give this one a shot. So as directions here, spray Blackmagic No Scrub Wheel Cleaner onto cool dry wheels. Allow to set for 1 to 2 minutes. Hose off with cool water. Alright guys, let's see how good this is. Stay tuned, we'll do a test. Welcome back guys. So the tires have cooled off. It's been sitting for about an hour and they are dry. So let's see how this works. We'll do two tests. We'll do one with just spray on, let it sit, and then hose off, and then do another with some scrubbing tools. All right, let's see. I'm spray this liberally on here. This car has ceramic brake pads, so they're notorious for the brake dust. All right. Get the wheel well too. Sorry, the rim. Okay, let's let it sit and come back in about 2 to 3 minutes. Welcome back guys. All right, so it's been about 4 or 5 minutes. I sprayed it on and went away to do some other stuff, and so now let's see if it is really a no scrub cleaner. Just use like a gentle stream on here just to see if it does a difference, and we'll just mess around with the different settings on the hose. As you can see, I don't see much of a difference on the brake dust coming off. Let's see from the hose setting. Alright, so next step, it says here, extremely severe scuffs may require agitation with a brush and or second application. So let's do another wheel with some agitation. Alright, let's do the same over here. Let's spray it on and let it sit for a few minutes. By the way, this is about it's $7.49 at AutoZone. So far, not a true no scrub. Spray a significant amount on here, so we'll let it sit and come back and check it out. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes, and I brought the agitator. So here's my drill brush. So as you guys saw in my last the seat video, I used a similar attachment to do the seats. This one here is another one of those sets, and I'll include the link again in my description for this. I think the set was 16 bucks. This one's good for the tires, the wheels. You can get into the small openings and stuff. So let's see how it works out. the cleaner is kind of, it's dissolving pretty quickly, so I'm just going to spray a little bit more on here so that it's not smearing the dirt here. All right, let's see the results. Oh yeah, the agitator definitely does the trick. There's some spots that I missed with the brush, but yeah, not enough stuff. More of a agitator. Alright guys, so looks like I'm back on the hunt for an actual no scrub. If you guys find something, please drop in the comments. And also I've used Meguiar's, I believe it's called Hot Rims. That one was again also a no scrub, but as with all cleaners, I mean, you do have to put a little bit of a, to agitate the surface with, depending on how bad it is. And these were pretty much baked on. So the Meguiar's worked similar, but the spray on and hose off was identical. There wasn't much difference. So maybe I'll do another video with that cleaner and see how it is. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe. All right, see you next time. Bye.